Let's explore the world of computers and smartphones. Let's learn skills to become a part of the creative world. By the time you finish MSCIT, you will be able to use all smart devices effectively. There are 12 pillars in the journey of learning and completing MSCIT. Under these pillars, you will effectively learn to use the latest smart devices like computers, laptops, smartphones, etc. You'll also learn about the most innovative approach for efficient, flawless, and smart typing. In MSCIT, you will be able to learn to type at the speed of 100 to 120 words per minute, when people can generally type only 20 to 30 words per minute. Doesn't it sound awesome? Your learning journey gets more exciting right after this. MSCIT will train you to grow in the 21st century. In Microsoft Office skills, you will learn to use Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Google Workspace. With a computer or smartphone and a good internet connection, you can create videos, design images, and become a part of the artistic world. You will also learn to take care of your health and your environment while entering the digital and IT world. Learning coding skills will help you to understand the basic programming concepts and gain an understanding of how computers process things. You must have heard about many digital frauds. Are you worried about your cybersecurity? Don't worry. You will also learn how to be digitally safe and secure all the time. Alongside all this, you will also learn the effective use of amazingly useful apps and tools to make your daily life easy, and it is also time saving. You will also learn how to avail various online services provided by the government and apply for multiple welfare schemes. MSCIT is sure to help you boost your confidence and self esteem through a beautiful learning journey. You are sure to learn the basics, use your skills, and follow general etiquette for becoming a better person and a smart professional. And you are set to make use of your knowledge to develop yourself as well as society.
Explore the combination of innovation and technology as we get into the fundamentals of AI. From understanding the power of data science and machine learning to discovering the diverse applications of AI tools, this course offers a gateway to endless possibilities in both your personal and professional struggle or growth. So, why should you start on this AI journey? In today's tech-filled world, businesses look for skilled people to handle the complexities of AI and explore its potential. By mastering AI skills, you will not only meet the needs for top-level solutions, but also put yourself in a good place for future improvements in new technologies. Start your journey by understanding the core of AI purposes, from changing how data is analyzed to making everyday tasks better. Dive into the basics, exploring the wide range of ways AI is used and how it changes different areas. Get ready to dive into real-life examples and see how AI affects the modern world, from Windows system to Microsoft Office 365 programs. Join us as we explore the secrets of artificial intelligence, empowering you to succeed in a digital age filled with new ideas and endless chances. In this course, we explore the basics of AI, setting the stage for your understanding of this transformating field. Discover the fundamentals of artificial intelligence, including the importance of data and data science, and the different areas within AI. Gain insights into the basics of machine learning and find a variety of AI tools and applications. Learn how AI and ML can improve both your daily routines and professional life through real-world case studies. Dive into the integration of AI across familiar platforms like Windows 11 and MS Office 365, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams. Experience the power of AI-driven features, from improved data analysis to collaborative document automation, shaping the future of work and productivity. Whether you aspire to pursue a career in AI, seek to enhance your digital skills, or simply wish to understand the profound impact of AI in today's world, this course equips you with the knowledge and tools to drive. Join us on this enlightening journey into the world of artificial intelligence, where endless possibilities await your exploration and discovery.